There have been attempts, and I believe that the Mayor of Toronto recently made comments to this effect,
Actually,
that as to whether
I'm sorry, I'm just going to interrupt because I just need to understand. It's really whether you believe that deportation is a necessary tool that Canada must use or whether it's not. It's kind of a very, just a yes or no answer, because I have lots of other questions that I need to ask you. Thank you.
In which case, I don't have a yes or no answer for you, if that's what you're...
Actually, I thought you might say that because you were talking about keeping the bad people out and letting the good people into Canada. I think most Canadians across our great country would think that that's a good thing to do. And you seem to put it in a very derogatory way by saying that we're going to turn into a safe community or a gated community from the rest of the world. And I have to tell you that someone who is elected to represent my great riding of Scarborough Centre, that is my first priority, to keep my constituents safe. So if you're implying that a gated community is something to keep bad people out of this country, I'm really not understanding why you think that's a bad thing. But I'm going to direct my next question actually to Professor Salter.
Point of order, Madam Chair.
Sorry, can I comment?
I think that Ms. James allowed the witness to answer any of her questions, and frankly, I do think that's the point of questioning a witness. If he could just maybe give an answer to what she said, to your discretion.
Madam Chair, there actually wasn't a question to my second part. It was a statement, and I would like to actually ask Professor Salter a question, which I think is very key.
Thank you very much, and I want to remind all committee members that we do have witnesses here, and it's always good, even if it's a brief question, that when we have our time, we do make it into a question as well.
Thank you, Madam Chair. And I actually asked a brief question, and he was absolutely unable to answer yes or no to whether he believes deportation is necessary. So I'm just moving on to the second witness, if I may. Thank you.